Hello, thank you always for being here. Actually, I am going to show you. You can see a small like entrance.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So from that, that's the gate of coming to the compound, and the road is over there actually. So this is the entrance here. But then we are going to be like a parking here, like a parking, but maybe soon because you have seen like we have arranged the stones like this. If you arrange the stones like this, it seems to it will be strong because you know very well that how it is here because of the soil. You have to arrange the stones first and then the concrete. So that is the gate. It has not been finished, but then you want to put an electric fence. So and this is a small road going to the washroom. Actually, here at the village, we usually put the shower rooms outside the house. What's up, guys? Thank you all for being here. For my tiny subscribers, thank you all for coming to check me here. And if this is your first time being here, consider subscribing. That's a better way of supporting me. Actually, I'm at the village still, but here I've come just to figure out still it's very cold, but there is this. The sun is, but it is cold. But I'm going to change later. Wow. So, I was just showing you this like a up here. It's like a tent, and if you see a tent somewhere, I'm going to show you. This is a lounge area. If you have, so we have some visitors, they come and sit here. So I'm going to show you and hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing, support your guy, put more effort actually watching my videos. I really appreciate the way you come to support me here. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Also down here you can see there's a small tank. A small tank. It's like a bottle. It's like a bottle, but it contains. Let's see how many liters does it carry. 2,500 liters. This is the launch. This is where we don't like a bench where people come and wait. This is a waiting launch here, and it has a tent. Even if it rains, you're gonna not get some mess here. And that is the tank I was showing you actually. So this is the type of 2,300 liters. As small as it is like this. Me, I thought it was a cover up, guys. Here, you can imagine how the door is, but lays open inside. It's the inside of it. Actually, this is the mega house. Mega house. Mega house. Here we need there is something that is not here, but I need to bring it. The little mattress is here. So if you want to rent a house, this is how it is here. So actually it's much loved, but it's not even finished. But if you want to rent a single room or two bedroom here, this is a two bedroom, but it has like sofas. Let us figure nicely, but we don't have a table. You should come with your table. Should come with your table. And this is the switch here, the switch where you can charge your phone. Yeah, on, off. Yeah, this is you arrange your cushions. You arrange your cushions switch like that. Here, if you have like a fridge, you know that the cable is very strong. If you have your fridge, you cannot put it here. Also, we need to renovate this house here, like putting some putting like paint. Also, does it? We have also the tube light up here. Wow, this is it here. Actually, if you are outside there and you want just a rental 2 rooms, this goes for only here at the village. It goes only for like $4. That's 4,000 because we have also the electricity. We have also the water outside here. The catchment area is very good, so you don't need to buy any water. But if it is a dry season, you go to the river. That's it here. Actually, enjoy the video, give it a like, share to your friends outside there. Wow, it's very much amazing. Actually, I will enjoy this lovely one here. Oh, wow, 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 wow. It's amazing, actually. You're gonna leave some comments down there. Actually, if this one here is found at the village, I don't know what you can say. Actually, give your support. Always leave some comments. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Support your guy from here at the village. Actually, let us taste the sauce. This is the one here. And there's another one. This is a 3-seater. This one here is a 3-seater. You can see here it's a 3-seater. This one, a 2-seater is there. I'm going to show you. Also, this one is a 1-seater. So it's very much affordable here at the village. So hope you enjoy. You leave some comments. Enjoy the life of the village. Let me show you first. Same, this is a 3-seater. You can see even the cushions. This is a 3-seater. It's a 1-seater. A 1-seater. When you are buying this, you can buy it like 80,000 to 60,000 or 120. This one is also a 1-seater, also a 2-seater. So this is it here. So you can leave some comments. Actually, it's the village, and you find such an amazing sofa sets here. This is it here. By the way, we had been here, so this is the main switch, and this is the windows here. So this is a door. We had been inside here. This is a 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms also here. So that's where we hang our clothes. This is where we hang our clothes. This is the chicken house. This is the chicken house. Also, this is our dog's house. Actually, there's a time that I will take the videos of dogs, but I have to show you from outside. They step on here and go inside. They are there. Rexy, Rexy, oh Rexy, Rexy, Rexy. Guys, what do you think about my videos? Actually, I myself, I will comment. I'll wait your comments from outside there. What do you think about my videos? How I am just trying. Leave some comments actually on what to improve on my videos. Actually, what I urge you, if you are outside there and you may find you click and find my channel. Actually, consider subscribing, click the like button so that when I upload another video, you'll be amazed more amazing videos from me at the village. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, my new viewers. I really appreciate the love that you have taken your time. You have taken your time aside and you come to visit me on my channel. I'm very much happy. I really appreciate the love, the support that you usually give me. I cannot complain. Lord is really working for us. Maybe one day we shall meet and just know each other fully. I am just here from the village. Actually, I am trying, and maybe one time I may just start moving from the village to our towns here and there, like Nairobi, Mombasa, and so I cannot arrange by myself. Maybe God's time is the best because you cannot force things to happen. Here from the village, it is. It's not, it is hard actually, like from the other days, 2 days ago, like 3 days we had no power. That's the challenges that we have. I have from here at the village also. Data, getting data also is a problem. So I usually look like, so if I get like $1, it can also support me. I may end up this video here. Thank you so much, and you have a very peaceful Thursday. God bless you out there. Thank you much support, full strength from me at the village. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Ciao, ciao, bye bye.